Hi there, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see time to live in Redis. So let's get started in today's video. So time to live is basically that for how much time that particular key is present to access basically. After that it will be destroyed. So time to live you can set using expire command. So this will set a timeout on your key, and TTL command will return the remaining time of your TTL, that in how much time it will expire. So next, expire at is same as expire. Expire time will return like Unix timestamp in seconds. And persist, if you want to, like if you don't want any key to expire, then you can run this command, so that will remove the expiry on that particular key. So next is pttl. So here you can see all the commands is having p as a like prefix to all same commands. So p here means that it will just return in milliseconds instead of seconds. So normal ttl will return time in seconds, but pttl it will return in milliseconds. So other command also will return in milliseconds. So now next let's see how to apply expiry on data types. So first string you can see, so with set key you can add ex and the like seconds, number of seconds you want to expire. Then hashes you need to run separate command for all other data types. So that will be expire that key name and number of seconds. So for string you can pass two option ex and px. So ex will be in seconds and px will be in milliseconds. And for expire command there are four options: nx, xs, gt and lt. So nx will set expiry only when the key has no expiry, and xs will set when the key has an existing expiry, and g is for greater than, that new expiry is greater than current one. LT is then new expiry is lesser than current one. So some notes are there. So expiry basically works on per key basis. So let's say you will be having individual sets in hashes list. So it doesn't work on those individual fields. It will just work on the main key. And expiry is not a separate data type. So now let me write Redis set. So I'm just showing you a basic example of how expiry will work. So here write set. So key I'm passing expire example, and let's say 10 I'm passing. So now write Redis and write expire command, pass key that is expire example, and now we need to pass seconds. So I'm passing 20 seconds. So now write Redis TTL expire example. So now let me add before that as well to show you. Now echo both. Let me add one br as well in between. So now let's see in browser. So here you can see -1 and 20 is coming. So -1, if you will see now in documentation, -1 will be coming that key exists but there is no expiry, and -2 will be coming that when key doesn't exist. So I'm commenting our one, and now this TTL I'm going to show you in store one. I'm just using another API basically to show you that. So here write TTL and get expire example x and echo br in between. So now let me show you in browser. So here I have set this key, and now in store you can see now 18 seconds it's spending, 16, 50. So it's reducing basically 12, 10, and 10 is its value basically. The second one you are seeing. So here now you can see 5, 2, 1, and now it's expired. So now you can see after expiry -2 is coming, that key doesn't exist. So now let me show you now persist. So here now instead of get write persist, and that will be same key expire example. So now let's check. So in the starting I'm setting that particular key, and now here if you will see 16 it came, then now -1 because persist ran, so it will be like that there is no expiry because we persisted that key, that now that key will not expire. I hope you got a basic idea of how TTL works in Redis. So you can expire a particular key, you can check how much time is pending for that key, and you can again restore that particular key using persist. So I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.